Hi, I'm Arne, founder of AcademicLabs. We just made an interesting release for people who seek experts in specific type of organizations, like specific academic institutions, or it could be at a biotech company, a small spin-off company, a large pharma company, or those working at the HealthTech organization, for example. So let's say we search for early cancer detection researchers. We can already immediately see, okay, who are top experts in this field. That was already possible. We could find KOLs, rising stars, but we see several new options. So now we can see who are academic researchers with, for example, a recent project on the topic. So in just 2 clicks, I find academic researchers who have a recent project on the topic. And that maybe also have a recent patent or a publication in the last 2 years. So in just 2 clicks, I could find these 16 people who fit these criteria. So this is for like academics, and we also have options to find those working at a pharma company, for example. So that could be helpful if you look for strategic partners who could be the interesting people that are involved in pharma companies, either on the payroll or maybe in an advisory role. So in this way, we could identify interesting people who recently worked on the topic. The same is possible for biotech researchers, and then it will identify those working at a therapeutic biotech or a TechBio company. Again, they could still have an affiliation at the university or as a guest professor, for example, so they may have multiple affiliations. Now, another approach is that you could go down in organization type, and you could go by any specific option we have here, like HealthTech companies, diagnostics, medical device. So you could filter by any of those to find specific researchers in such kind of organizations focusing on early cancer detection. Let's say I want to find spin-off companies in HealthTech that have 2 to 10 employees. And then you can, in just a few clicks, identify these 75 researchers. So again, you have these different company types. We could go by employee size. We could also go by sector. So if you're interested beyond life science, we also have this option to find researchers that are active in information technology, in engineering, industrial, etc. Same with organization served sector. That means, let's say, someone working at a manufacturing organization, but serving the healthcare life and life science ecosystem. So you have the different options to look specifically for what kind of organization you seek certain researchers or experts for. We also have this new AI option where you can analyze up to 2,000 or even 5,000 researchers, or analyze, for example, how well their KOL fits, what kind of key technology they have, see if they could be a good customer and get a draft-tailored email based on their recent research, assess the collaboration potential and ideas for how to position and communicate the collaboration. All of this is possible, so you can just in a few minutes have up to 2,000 or even 5,000 researchers analyzed. The other option is to get a report based on 50 researchers, the top 50 on your topic that you selected, and get a report where you choose, for example, KOL fit you into your criteria, and you say, okay, I want a report that explains who are the best experts, who are the best fit, why, etc. I'm going to share a separate video on this topic that walks you through this process, but know that this is now also available. Hope this helps, and happy to help out where it's needed. Good luck. Bye.